Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to the car vlog, the first ever of its kind. It's the only time I've actually wanted to drive my car on video. Now, today we're going to be talking about IGTV and if it is going to replace YouTube. Now, this is a subject I will be very, very passionate about. Oh my God! Stop, guys! I need to change lanes. Millisecond maneuver. It's all good. So if you're interested in that, if you don't know what I'm talking about and you want to know what I'm talking about, make sure you stick around for this video. Let's get into video straight away. All right, guys, we are now in the brand new studio, which I have set up in my new house. Now, if you guys are watching this and you have no idea who I am, my name is Jonny Bradley. I'm a UK entrepreneur and general YouTube type person. But today I'm going to be talking about IGTV, kind of versus YouTube, but really we're going to be talking about IGTV. But for the guys that are already subscribed, the guys and girls that's already subscribed, I will give you a house tour very, very soon. So just stay tuned for that. And if you want to see more of information from me, make sure you subscribe and notifications turned on. And of course, smash the like button, smash up the likes. So yesterday, 20th of June 2018, Instagram released a new kind of application slash feature called IGTV, and they announced this I think about a month ago, but we didn't really know any information other than you'll be able to upload up to hour-long videos. Now, that's not quite true, and I'm going to explain that in a couple of minutes. But what I want you guys to do is, after you've watched this video, just go onto your phone and download the application, but also just go on Instagram, and I'm going to explain to you how it works and the features and the benefits and how you can use it as a content creator to actually expand your reach, and how I'm going to be using it, which you can of course join along that journey with me. So for everyone that doesn't know, Instagram TV, again, is a new feature, and what it allows you to do is upload basically longer videos. Because at the moment on Instagram, or previously to yesterday, you couldn't really upload long content. So say, for example, this video is going to be 10 minutes long, right, or 8 minutes long, or whatever. I couldn't upload that onto Instagram because it just doesn't support that length of video, and it's just not the sort of platform that really benefits those sorts of videos. So what you would do is you would upload your content onto YouTube as a content creator, and then on Instagram, to get traffic to that video, to get views, you would go on your Instagram story and say, hey, I've uploaded a new video, swipe up or click the link in the bio to go and watch it. And what that does is, Instagram don't like that, because what you're doing is then taking that user from Instagram, they're swiping up, they're being taken to YouTube, and then YouTube can deliver them ads, and YouTube make money. And of course, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube don't really like each other because they're all competing for the same traffic. So Instagram have gone out and say, okay, how can we compete with YouTube without copying them, without doing what they do, in a way where they can retain their customers, retain their people, still deliver them ads and things like that. And they came up with IGTV. Obviously, I'm not part of the people that decided how to make it, but that's just kind of my explanation of how I think it happened. So what you can do on Instagram when you're scrolling through the people that you already love, you follow them, there'll be a option in the top right hand corner, which is one of the corners, right? And that will take you to IGTV, and video will automatically start playing from the people that you follow or the trending topics. You can also search things like hashtags and stuff like that, which is awesome. So it works in search in a very similar way to Instagram, but what it doesn't do is it doesn't really work in the same way as YouTube yet. Now, the reason being is that Instagram was never a place where you type in how to build a garden shed. It's not really that place. That's always been YouTube, because you can create longer videos, and on Instagram you couldn't, so you couldn't teach people those in-depth topics. Now you can upload longer videos. It could be a potential place where you can be a content creator, you can create the content, or even upload the content you've already created on YouTube onto Instagram. However, Instagram said, last month, people can upload up to hour-long videos, and that's not strictly true, because the majority of people, you have to upload between 15 seconds and 10-minute videos. However, for people that have higher followers and are verified, they can upload up to hour-long videos. Now, what is a higher amount of followers? We don't quite know at the moment. I have 65,000 at the point of recording this video, and I don't have that feature. So whoever has got that feature, let me know in the comments, and we can talk about it, get you on the channel maybe, and we can talk about how this feature is, how you're leveraging it yourself. So it's really potentially going to change the industry and change how people consume content. How I'm going to be using it, I do apologize. How I'm going to be using it is just doing more kind of vlog, not vlog style, but more conversational style videos on Instagram TV or on IGTV. So if you want to go and see what I've created, I'm going to put the link in the description for my Instagram handle. Go onto that, and again, you can see my, my IGTV stories. I don't really know what they're called. IGTV stories. Let's go with that. You'll be able to see those and leave a comment, let me know what you think. And really, you know, I'm going to put a lot of time and effort into building that as a place where I can connect with my audience. And I really think that if you're looking to create a personal brand, you're a business, or you're just kind of looking to create content, I really think you need to start jumping on this straight away. It's going to be a massive opportunity, because imagine if you could go back when YouTube first started and you could start uploading content and target keywords, competitive keywords, because there's no one else doing it at that time. You have the opportunity with Instagram, you know, IGTV right now to start creating that content. So if you've got videos that you've already recorded, upload them, create the content. But this is the big thing, guys, you cannot do it in landscape like this. Landscape will not work. The reason being is it needs to be portrait, it needs to be viewable on a screen, like an iPhone screen or, you know, whatever screen. So make sure that you record high quality content in portrait, and, you know, create a good title, create a little thumbnail as well. This is something really cool. Make sure you pay attention to your thumbnails, just like you do on YouTube, and start approaching Instagram like you do YouTube. And I think this is going to be a massive opportunity. Now, there are probably a whole bunch of stuff that I've missed, because you know what? I haven't done much research on other people's videos about what they think about it. This is only my thoughts and my, I guess, my opinions on how I'm going to use it and how I think you should use it going forward. If you have any questions or any things you want me to go in further detail with, then just leave a comment down below, or go onto my Instagram and leave me a comment on there, send me a DM. I think it's a really interesting space, and I definitely want to investigate it a little bit further with you guys and share that journey with you. Now, if you've liked this video, guys, make sure you smash that like button. And of course, make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. I've got some more videos coming for you. Now that I've got my studio set up, I've got my new house set up, I am in the position where I can start actually recording loads of content. Past couple of weeks, I've really just been moving boxes around, haven't been in the position to do that for you. So I will be doing a lot more this week. Again, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.